Students, in this class we are going to see combination of metallic rods. If the rods are combined with the different in different orientations, how the heat will be transferred. So that's we are going to see in this class. There are two types of connections. One is a series and series combination, as you are seeing here. So there is one rod, its conductivity is K1, another rod, its conductivity is K2, and its length is L1, another length is L2. They are connected like this. That's connected end to end. Their areas are same. All the areas are same. Area is same. So how to connect it? What is the formula for resistance? Resistance is equal to L by K into A. So each rod has resistance L1, K1 by A1. A1 is nothing but A for everyone, every body. If areas also different, keep it as A1. Okay, I'll explain with the areas also different. And so this equivalent circuit is given here. See, in a potential difference, if potential difference V is given, say there is a positive end, there is say V1 and V2, the potential difference is given, and there are resistors. How the resistors are in series connection. I explained this kind of models in the previous videos in Poiseuille's equations, right? And still similarly R1, R2, R3, and here what is a current? I is equal to V by R equivalent. So in this case, what is the R equivalent? R1 plus R2 plus R3. So similarly, when we are going to see for series combination of heater rods also, first let's write equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance R is equal to L1 by K1 A1 plus L2 by, so R equivalent is nothing but R1 plus R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus and so on plus Rn. So L2 by K2 A2 plus and so on plus Ln by Kn and An, and this is what equivalent resistance. Next, about heat current. So we have seen current, now we are going to see heat current. If you see this here, what is the potential difference? T1 minus T2. I is equal to, what is the formula? I is equal to V by R equivalent. Here I is nothing but H. H is equal to V. V is, what is the value of V? V is nothing but potential difference, in this case temperature difference, T1 minus T2 by R equivalent. R equivalent we already wrote here. R equivalent L1 by K1 A1 plus L2 by K2 A2 plus and so on plus Ln by Kn An. H is done. Next we are going to see equivalent thermal conductivity. So in this rod, wait a minute, I will explain one more thing. Say heat transfer rate is H1 here, H2 here, H3 and H4 and so on up to n rods are there, Hn. What is the relation between heat flow is nothing but the current which is flowing in series. So if heat is flowing, H1 is equal to H2 is equal to H3 is equal to and so on is equal to Hn. What is the H formula? Say here T1 and here is intermediate temperature T prime, and after all T double prime, T triple prime and so on like that. H1 is nothing but, what is the value? T1 minus T prime by R1. H is equal to T by R1 delta T by R, which is equal to T prime. H2 is nothing but temperature difference between these two. So T prime minus T double prime by R2 plus, plus nahi, it is equal to the same thing here, T double prime minus T triple prime by R3. It is equal to, what is the value? T1 minus T2 by R equivalent. This is why heat transfer is same in a series connection. Okay, let's see equivalent thermal conductivity. Equivalent thermal conductivity. Equivalent thermal conductivity, it is it can be R equivalent we wrote na. R equivalent, when the rods are in series, to find equivalent conductivity we should take, this is in series, right? Length L equivalent should be L1 plus L2 plus and so on plus Ln. Area should be, area equivalent is equal to, when they are in series we should take average area, A1 plus A2 plus and so on plus An by N. This is when the resistor or combinations are in series, when the rods are in series. I am writing A equivalent like that only. Now R equivalent we got, R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus and so on plus Rn. R equivalent I am writing as L equivalent by K equivalent into A equivalent, which is equal to R1 is nothing but L1 by K1 A1 plus L2 by K2 A2 plus and so on plus Ln by Kn An. So to get K equivalent, so 1 by K equivalent, or it goes to other side, so 1 by K equivalent is equal to A equivalent by L equivalent L1 by K1 A, what I am doing, L1 by K1 A1 plus and so on plus Ln by Kn. Okay, so 1 by K equivalent K1 Kn An. Okay, to get a, so in this case now I am assuming some special cases. Here A1 is equal to A2 is equal to and so on is equal to An, which is equal to A. Okay, L1 is equal to L2 is equal to and so on is equal to L. Some special cases. Then 1 by K equivalent is equal to, A equivalent becomes what? Average of N. So it A equivalent will become, A equivalent is equal to sum of all the areas becomes Na by total N. So A equivalent is equal to N. So L equivalent is equal to sum of all the lengths into is equal to NL, because L1 plus L2 plus and so on up to NL. I am creating few pages. Okay, NL. So to get a Y 1 by K equivalent, which is equal to, A equivalent is A by NL, so L by K1 A plus L by K2 A and so on plus L by Kn into A gets cancelled, L everywhere gets cancelled, and K 1 by K equivalent is equal to, so 1 by N into 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2 plus and so on plus 1 by Kn. This is when the rods are in series. So if in this case if there are only two rods are there, then if only two rods are there, two rods are present, and if the two rods are present, then what will be the K equivalent? 1 by K equivalent is equal to A by N into, N is nothing but, now 1 second, no? N becomes 2, N is nothing but 2 here, because number of rods 2 into L by K1 into A plus 1 by L by K2 into A, L gets cancelled. K equivalent is equal to 2 K1 K2 by K1 plus K2. This is the K equivalent. So this is the series combination which we studied. You can find the temperature in between also by using these studies. Okay, thank you.